So what might happen if instead of moving the 3/10 digit to the left, we moved it to the right? Let's figure it out. Now I'm going to write here 30. The 0 will move from 1's place to the 10th. 3 will move from the 10th place to 1's. And the value of the digit will decrease 10 times. The equation that represents this is 30 divided by 10, which is 3. This assures us that if you divide the number by 10, the value will be 10 times smaller. This is the opposite of multiplying it by 10, which is explained in the previous activity. Let's have another example. Write the number 1800 on the place chart. This time, we are going to move the digits 2 places to the right. Then, describe what happens to the digit. First, we will start by writing the number. Then, we're going to move each digit 2 places to the right. So, the 0 goes to the 100th. The other 0 goes to the 10th. Now, we have 8 in the 1s and 1 in the 10th. By that, the value is 100 times smaller, which means we divide the number by 100. Many of you could ask, what if the number does not end in 0 or double 0 like 30 or 1800? What could happen if we shift it to the right? Think about it. Great! The digits will move to the 10th. Now let's illustrate more by dividing the number 3615 by 10 and represent it on the number chart. Move the digits of the number 1 place to the right. The digit 5 will go to the 10th. 1 will be at the 1s. 6 will go to the 10s, and 3 will go to the 100s. You can notice that the value of each digit is, correct, 10 times smaller, which means that the value of the whole number decreased by 10. Now, you can deduce the pattern of multiplication or division by 10 or 100. Now, let's go to our math books and see the answered example. The number 57 here, as shown, is distributed in the chart. 7 in the 1s, 5 in the 10s. When the digit of the number is multiplied by 10, then we move 1 place to the left and the number becomes 570. That's why the number's value increased 10 times. The value of the digit 5 is increased by 10 and changed from 50 to 500. Also, the value of the digit 7 increased by multiplying by 10 and became 70. I will give you enough time to answer problem 1 to fill in the blanks in question 2. Now that we're back, let's check your answers. You're asked to divide 57 by 10. Write the number in the place value chart. Now, record 7 in 1's place and 5 in 10's place. As you know, when you divide by 10, the digits within the number will shift 1 place to the right. The digit 7 will move to the 10th, and 5 will move to the 1s. The quotient is 5.7. Now let's go to question 2. The value of the whole number, 57, what happened? It decreased by a factor of 10. The value of 5, the first digit. decreased by a factor of 10 from, right, 50 to 5. Now what happened to 7? The value of the second digit 7 decreased by a factor of 10 from 7 to 0.7. Now let's check our understanding. Answer problem 3 and fill the statements that represent the answer in question 4. For question number 3, we're going to record the number in the place value chart. So what do we have? 6.5. We are going to multiply the number by 10. After multiplying by 10, the digits of the number will move one place to the left. So 5 will go to the ones and 6 will go to the tens. So in question 4, the value of the whole number increased by a factor of 10. The value of the first digit 6 increased by a factor of 10. From what? From 6 to 60. Now the value of the second digit. So what is the second digit? 5. It also increased by a factor of 10 from 0.5 to 5. In the same way, answer questions 5 and fill in the blanks in question 6. After learning and practicing on changing the value of the number, we can move to connect activity, writing about math. Now, this is a chance to check your understanding of the lesson. Also, you can use it as a reference while studying or answering questions related to the lesson. I'll give you enough time to answer the questions. You can use examples to express your answers.
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا، المستقبل يبدأ الآن.